So how to check or customize your watch history by date or time. So how can I say it? So first of all, you have to open your YouTube and press on top right corner, and then you can see the your data in YouTube. Press on it, and then you can see your latest history like comment or a playlist, or just press on it, and then you can see here your latest comment. But top left corner you can see the my activities, so you have to press on my activities, and then you can see the search your activities. You can search by keyword or YouTube video title, and if you want to customize with title time, then you have to press on filter, and then you have to press on customize, and you want to see after or before. Suppose I want to watch my 2021 like that. Press on OK, and then select your YouTube, and then press on apply. Then you can see the all history. February 2017 I see this video, and this video like that. You can easily find out your YouTube activities. So if you want to delete it, just press on delete, and it will be delete. And if you want to bulk delete, then press on delete activities log. Then you can select your all time custom range, or last day or last hour, etc. So this is how you can easily see your activity, watch history, and comment, and you can edit or delete it. So hope video helpful. Please thumbs up and do subscribe. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day.